Greetings everyone. Welcome to physics class. Today we will discuss in-text questions of chapter gravitation, and we will also discuss in-text examples also. See page number 134. First question. State the universal law of gravitation. The universal law of gravitation states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force called the gravitational force. The force acting between two objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. Let's say two masses m1 and m2, d be the distance between the two objects, F be the force of gravitation acting between them. So F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by d square, where capital G is universal constant, where capital G is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. See the second question. Write the formula to find the magnitude of the gravitational force between the earth and object on the surface of the earth. Let us consider mass of the earth is me. Mass of an object on the surface of earth is m. Radius of earth is capital R. So, according to the universal law of gravitation, the gravitational force F acting between the earth and the object is given by the relation F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by R square. Here, small r can be replaced by the radius of the earth. So you can replace small r by capital R. So the formula will be F is equal to G me m divided by capital R square. Now see the example 10.2. See the example. A car falls off a ledge and drops to ground in 0.5 seconds. You have to use the value of G 10 meter per second square. In first part, you have to calculate the speed on striking the ground. So, initial velocity of car is 0 meters per second. Time is given 0.5 seconds. And we have to use the value of G is 10 meters per second square. So in first part, we have to find out the final velocity with which car strikes the ground, that is V. So using first equation of motion, that is V is equal to U plus GT, we can find out the final velocity. Here U is 0. G is 10, time is 0.5. So you can remove decimal here. 10, cancel out 10 with 10. So the final speed is 5 meters per second. See the second part. What is its average speed during the 0.5 seconds? Average speed you have to find. So average speed will be V plus U divided by 2. Here V is 5, U is 0 divided by 2, that is 5 by 2. It's 2.5 meters per second. See the third part. How high is the ledge from the ground? That means you have to find out the height of the ledge from the ground. So using third equation of motion, V square minus U square is equal to 2G S. You can replace S by H. V is 5. U is 0. That is equal to 2 multiplied by 10 H. So H will be 5 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 10. 5 2s are 10, that is 5 by 4, which is equal to 1.25 meters. So this is the height of the ledge from the ground, that is 1.25 meters.